taken this end down with our U-Butte sander, our Merker, a little ripper taking stuff off, and these fellas, Abranet, they're absolutely brilliant for sanding, last at least 3 times longer than normal sandpaper. I've just done this with 120, and you'll notice I've got down this end nice and clean, and up this end I'm still cutting through the aqua coat. So the whitish colour is actually aqua coat. Underneath that, where it's cut through, is the boat coat underneath. You'll notice here towards the edge we've got a bit that's gone changed colour. I've actually just about cut through. That's what you got to be careful of, because if you put aqua coat over something that's like that, the moisture will go through the aqua coat, because it's only about 88% waterproof. Then it'll easily work its way through the boat coat. Got a couple of damage spots here. See that? That's alright, it'll fix up just fine. And down here, more damage. So we'll take all that off and we'll recoat it. I'm definitely not taking all the boat coat off the top and taking it back to bare timber.